I've seen the government benches thumping their desks like they did today, but I've never seen the opposition join in thumping the desk and appreciating the speech like that happened today. So it's a great tribute to you, Mr. President. It shows that the love and affection people have in Pakistan, no matter which political side, political opinion they belong to, it just reflects the way they perceive you as someone who stands up for causes that are across the Muslim world. Ladies and gentlemen, the object of this function is for me as the Prime Minister to reiterate that our government will do everything to increase trade relationship, improve trade relationship with Turkey. We will be facilitating the business community, Pakistan and the Turkish business community to invest, do joint ventures. The areas which we specifically would want to invite Turkish business community is number one, tourism. I myself have toured as a tourist, been to Turkey quite a few times. And the way the Turkish tourist industry has been developed, Pakistan can learn a lot from it because Pakistan is one of the most untapped tourist potential anywhere in the world. In the recent magazine, a top magazine from the United States, Pakistan was considered the number one tourist destination for 2020. But we lack the infrastructure, which of course in Turkey is very well developed, and the beach tourism or the tourism of visiting historical places is very well developed in Turkey, and therefore that's one area we would really want to invite help from Turkey to invest in this sector. Then there is IT, which again we can learn a lot, and it's Pakistan with the second youngest population in the world is another area where we would really invite investment. Apart from that, mining, Pakistan has huge mining potential, most of it untapped, and it's another area we would welcome because I know in Turkey, the mining industry is far advanced than in our country. Agriculture, your productivity is higher in agriculture than Pakistan. We have one of the most fertile lands. We don't use our water properly. We can learn from techniques in Turkey. Most of all, we would like to get involved in whatever Turkey can help us in whatever field. We would like to invite you, and the government will be facilitating. I'm proud to say that our government is the most business-friendly government, and inshallah in Pakistan's history, this will become the most business-friendly government. We have already in our first year gained 28 places in the World Bank Index of doing business. And constantly we are trying to make it easier for our business community and investors to reduce the regulations and problems in their way. So finally, I would again welcome all of you, and I look forward the interaction between our own business community and the Turkish business community. I would like our business communities to take the lead, because the political leadership is much closer than our business community so far. So in future, I want the business community to come forward and benefit from this very close relationship, the political relationship which we have with Turkey. Thank you.